Okay, this is our train leaving Brokenhurst. This is the 15:33 out of Brokenhurst towards London Waterloo. I'm filming as well. So I think it was 566 at the front, and then now we have to try and get a back number. Hopefully it will go. Yeah, good. Oh, see, we were one. That's the motor coach there, and it was 544, I think. Oh no, 545. So this is platform 2. All the way down there is platform 1, and then just over there is platform 3, and then behind, or on the other side of that, there's platform 4. That's services towards Leamington and stuff.
How do we get across?
Well, there's either stairs or lifts along here.
Let's take lifts.
And cut.